It's time for Mower to take you further. Meet THOR, the next generation groundskeeper for commercial turf care. THOR sees your entire lawn in 360 degrees, fusing 3D LiDAR, multiple satellites and smart vision into one razor-sharp view. Like a self-driving car, THOR glides through shade, avoids obstacles, and mows with confidence where others can't. With lightning-accurate precision, THOR trims your lawn down to the centimetre. No missed spots, no stress. THOR leaves your grass neat and nourished. Clippings drop back into the soil as fertilizer, so you never have to empty a bag. No pain, all gains. Uneven terrain? THOR's got grip. With its all-terrain leveling, cutting disc and rotating front axle, it maintains a perfect cut across slopes, bumps, and curves. Say goodbye to scalping for good. THOR is 100% automated. Set a routine or tap for an instant mow. It gets the job done, then automatically returns to recharge, all without check-ins. So you can focus on what truly matters. Don want to spend hours on zone mapping? This Vivacon Pocket Mapper cuts it down to minutes. Just walk or ride, and you're covered in no time, no matter how large the area is. THOR covers an entire 8-hour shift on one charge and needs just 2 hours to recharge. Its lithium battery delivers performance you can count on for over 3,000 cycles. Works even without a charging station. Just drop THOR anywhere and get to work. Swap batteries in seconds and keep going. Need extra coverage? Deploy a whole fleet, fully synchronized and easily managed from one screen. Welcome to the future of turf care.